How's it going, everyone? So I have some exciting news on the React.js front-end support for chappy-php framework. So this is my home page. I want to move it out of the way and show you my VS Code. So this is currently running in dev mode, right? So I have managed to figure out how to compile with the npm run build command a JavaScript bundle and actually test it in a pseudo production framework, just changing some stuff in my .env file. So I'm going to Control C out of here. So you have this, let's see here, F12. So things shouldn't work. All right. So what I can do is do a npm run build and then press enter. So I got to move the VS Code session out of the way, but if I change to production, the app_env variable to production, save it, and it will bring the browser window back. So now you refresh, bam! It's now running on a compiled bundle, just getting the data from that. And my PHP views are still working. So go back home. So this is the React plus Vite confirmation that this view is running as intended. So what does this mean? It means that I am getting ready to put a pretty little, or maybe a giant bow on top of this effort. And in a few days, maybe in a week, I can deploy a live version of my React weather app that I've been building with this feature onto an AWS instance and actually demonstrate it to potential employers. So this is really exciting. It's just I'm really excited about how this is coming after working on this for about 3 months. So I know this is a short video. I just want to pop in and demonstrate what I have accomplished. If you are a fellow developer or a recruiter and you find this of any type of significance, please comment and we can see if we can start a dialogue. And that is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.